Hello dear students, welcome back to your English class. Today in English we are going to read chapter 10 from our reader book. Okay, see, the chapter is about sports. Even the title of the chapter, The World of Sports, tells you that we are going to learn something very interesting about one particular sport. That sport is basketball. I'm sure you all play games, right? During the lockdown also you got a chance to explore your hobbies and make some new ones. And games was always a part of your hobbies, right? Children love to play. Even we love to play. So you must be having a favorite game or a favorite sport. While you play that sport, you must know the rules of it, right? Every game has some rules and regulations which make that game organized. Okay, you have to know how the game is played, whether it is an individual sport or a team sport, how many players are there, okay, and what is the objective of the sport. So in this chapter, The World of Sports, Basketball, we will learn about one of the most widely popular and most watched sports in the world, that is basketball. Are you excited? Well, I am. So let us get started with our learning of this wonderful sports called basketball. Chapter 10, The World of Sports, Basketball. Basketball is one of the most popular and widely viewed sports in the world. It is a team sport in which two teams of 5 active players each try to score points against one another by throwing a ball through a 10-foot high hoop or basket under organized rules. The objective of the game is to outscore one's opponents by throwing the ball through the opponent's basket from above while preventing the opponents from doing so on their own. An attempt to score in this way is called a shot. A successful shot is worth 2 points. It can also be worth 3 points if it is taken from beyond the 3-point arc, which is 6.25 meters or 20 feet 6 inches away from the basket in international games. Students, this is the picture of a basketball court. It is rectangular in shape. The ball can be advanced on the court by dribbling it, which is the act of bouncing it continuously while moving or by passing it between teammates. Disruptive physical contacts or fouls are not permitted, and there are restrictions on how the ball can be handled. These are called violations. Games are played in 4 quarters of 10 or 12 minutes. 15 minutes are allowed for a half-time break and 2 minutes are allowed at the other breaks. Overtime periods are 5 minutes long. The teams exchange baskets in the second half. The time allowed is the actual playing time and the clock is stopped while the play is not active. Therefore, games generally take much longer to complete than the allotted game time, typically about 2 hours. The game is controlled by the officials consisting of the referee, 1 or 2 umpires and the 3 table officials. The ball must stay within the court. The last team to touch the ball before it travels out of bounds forfeits possession. The ball must not be kicked nor struck with the fist. A violation of these rules results in loss of possession, or if committed by the defense, a reset of the clock. Most players shoot directly into the basket, but shooters may use the backboard to redirect the ball into the basket. The most crowd-pleasing and typically highest percentage accuracy shot is the one in which the player jumps very high and throws the ball downward, straight through the hoop. The crucial aspect of any good pass is being impossible to intercept. Good passers can pass the ball with great accuracy and touch and know exactly where each of their teammates likes to receive the ball. A special way of doing this is passing the ball without looking at the receiving teammate. This is called a no-look pass. While competitive, basketball is primarily an indoor sport. It has become exceedingly popular as an outdoor sport too.